ZWCAD Manager is a powerful drawing management and printing tool. With the structure tree, you can quickly find, open, and modify drawings. Plus, you can select drawings from the list and batch print them. To manage drawings in ZWCAD Manager, you must put only one drawing in one layout. To use it, first we need to create a new ZWCAD. Several templates are provided and they have categories for different industries. You can also create a new ZWCAD. After creating a new ZWCAD, you can import layouts into it. To better manage your drawings, you can create subsets and import layouts into them. You can also rename drawings and layouts on the panel. You can open the drawing to view and modify it. Also, you can modify the field's value on the panel without opening the drawing. New field's value will be updated in the drawing, so it's very convenient. Moreover, fields that exist in all layouts can be batch updated. Another powerful function is that you can create a drawing list in one click. Select drawings and click OK. Then a drawing list is created. Finally, if you want to print or package drawings, you can do it on the panel too. You can choose a virtual or physical plotter to print out drawings. You can put drawings into a package using e-transmit. ZWCAD Manager helps you manage and print drawings effectively. Come and try it.